Level 6, Unit 20, dividing 3-digit numbers up to 999 by 1-digit numbers. Unit 20.1, dividing the numbers up to 599 by 2 through 5. Example A. 2 can go into 5 2 times without going over. 2 times 2 is 4. We subtract 5 minus 4 to get 1. We bring down the second number. 2 can go into 11 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. You subtract, you get 1. Bring down the third number of 8. 2 can go into 18 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. 0 remaining, so our answer is 259. Unit 20.2, dividing the numbers up to 699 by 3 through 8. Example A. 3 can go into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. When you subtract, you get 0. Bring down the second number of 6. 3 can go into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. When you subtract here, you get 0 again. Bring down the 5. 3 can go into 5 1 time without going over. 1 times 3 is 3. When you subtract, you get 2. So our answer is 221, remainder 2. Unit 20.3, dividing the numbers up to 799 by 4 through 9. Example A. 4 can go into 7 1 time without going over. 1 times 4 is 4. You're going to subtract 7 minus 4 to get 3. Bring down the second number of 2. 4 goes into 32 8 times. 8 times 4 equals 32. So that's going to give us a remainder of 0 when we subtract there. Bring down the next number of 2. 4 cannot go into 2, so we multiply it times 0. 0 times 4 is 0 with a remainder of 2. So our final answer is 180, remainder 2. Unit 20.4, dividing the numbers up to 899 by 5 through 9. Example A. 5 goes into 8 1 time. 1 times 5 is 5. When we subtract 8 minus 5, we get 3. Bring down the next number of 9. 5 goes into 39 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. When you subtract, 9 minus 5 gives you 4. Bring down the last number of 0. 5 goes into 40 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40 with a remainder of 0, so our final answer is 178. Unit 20.5, dividing the numbers up to 999 by 2 through 9. Example A. 2 can go into 8 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8, so when we subtract, we will get 0. Bring down the next number of 9. 2 can go into 9 4 times without going over. 4 times 2 is 8. When we subtract 9 minus 8, we get 1. Bring down the last number of 3. 2 can go into 13 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. When we subtract, we get a remainder of 1. So our final answer is 446, remainder 1.